Okay guys, so check this out. So this car, it's a 2005 Toyota Camry. So most likely this film has been here for more than 10-15 years, but check this out. So as you guys can see, it's super thin. So the glue, the adhesive, it's actually stained. That's what you want. You don't want this to come on in little pieces. So right now I kept my my steamer. It's been steaming the window. I hope it comes down one piece, and all I gotta do is just spray some adhesive remover and should make it a lot easier. But so far that's what I got going. It is coming out. It's coming out, but I gotta take it slow. So that is one thing about doing removals. They're just a pain in the ass. But as you guys can see, let's see right there. Yeah, it's the film, it's gone. So that's what happened. So actually these windows are tinted, but you guys can't see it. They're faded as well. It's already bubbling from here. So the doors are usually a lot easier, but the back ones, I did mention the customer that if you know, there had to be some scraping on the glass, that the defrosters were gonna be gone, and he was okay with it. So we'll see how this turns out. Alright guys, so check this out. So it is coming off pretty good, and like I said, my goal is to leave the glue behind, which it's common when you take out this type of film. As you guys can see how I have it, so I started from the top, so pretty much from the top, and all you got to do is get the film to cover. So pretty much what I've been doing is leaving it as a curtain, I guess we could say, or as a, I don't know, like a little yeah, we'll just say what I was trying to do is leave it so it could cover it, and all the steam won't come towards the car. It'll stay within the film, so which helps it a lot faster. So as you guys can see right now, I have this, and because I have the third brake light, I want this to cook as much as it can, so it could just come out super easy. So fingers crossed, we'll see what happens right now. But it's been there for a cool minute, and let me see if I can put you guys on the side, and we'll see what happens. Alright, there are these. And there you guys have it. It came out in one piece. That's what you want, because if not, if you start taking it off little by little, you're just gonna create a bunch of tears on the film, and at the end of the day you're gonna end up scraping it. So I am gonna scrape it, but with the little sponge, I'm gonna spray it and go from there. But let me show you guys. Just look at this. It's yeah, man, it's been here for years. It's like super light. It reminds me of tape. that clear tape that you tape boxes with. But I'll go ahead and spray it. I'm gonna cover it, go ahead and spray the solution, and then we'll see what happens to the adhesive.